Okay, sige.
Hi, this is Coach Jesse. At ngayon, nagbibilag-bilag lang. Today is Friday, and it's a payday, guys. Gusto niyo magbilang? Mano niyo ako magbilang, guys. Diba, Coach? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 26, 27, 28, 29. Continue ko pa ba, guys?
I-continue.
29, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 30,050 pesos. Guys, mag-opti ka na. Nagawa na namin, no?
Power. Power, power.